Oh, we got it covered now.
Radio tower doesn't do that.
I don't think they saw you.
Yeah, because I'm not fucking daft. We are let's ninja
so
stealthy.
close to each other. You are so close to each other.
Ah! Ah! I'm dead!
There's an
Basti,
enemy.
save me!
Back up. 600 meters. Due north.
Do it really subtle. Crouch and
Oh
do
my
the
God.
thing.
Yeah, they've called in another patrol. They're heading towards you.
It's alright. Fucking hell. Come on, Pastor. Get over here. Crouch.
I don't even know where you are.
I'm here, look! I'll put my hand up, but I would, but they've shot both of them. Yeah, come straight forward.
Please
Crouch like a motherfucker bitch.
Carry him.
Carry me out of the way. Yeah, that'll do.
How did you carry?
Mouse, middle with mouse wheel ski an option. Hurry up for it, that's it. Fucking love that. Why you grab me by the penis? He's got me by the bullets! That is fucking, he's a psychotic.
Two. I'm the new action.
Oh, I'm fucking dead now, thanks for that. Take me
Wait,
back,
no, revive him.
Revive me!
Oh my good God.
Look at me! I'm a fucking wreck and he runs away.
Have you got a first aid kit, Dave?
Yeah, take my backpack.
Rally up.
You
Did
can
you
rob my
automatically do
ass. You should be able to get into my gear. There is
Not
no
getting the
AI.
option to.
No, it should be able to automatically revive him if you have it on any of you.
Alright, so
As long as Patty has
revive.
room for a medkit. Or whatever it is.
He hasn't got a med
I've
kit.
got fucking 3 medkits.
It's not showing up that you've got any.
Does it give you the option to revive?
Please help.
Look, can't you hear my cries of desperation?
Yeah, it does, but it says dead again, Dave, as a first aid kit, but you do not have enough space in your inventory to
Drop
use
all
it.
your shit. And then...
No,
oh
that's
my
for you. You've just got to revive me.
I'm out.
What, you take all your... Oh, he's going to rape me! He's going to rape me! Don't do it! Be a man!
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Fall back.
Where's my base gone? There it is.
Why are you touching yourself up?
Out of ammo. Medic.
Right, still can't do it.
Right,
Oh, you
take
need a
all my
backpack.
clothes
Can you
off.
grab his?
grab
Can you
me
nick his
backpack, not me fucking trousers, for Christ's sake.
You're not giving me the option to grab your backpack.
Yeah, but you just
well-
grabbed me fucking bollocks and dragged me over here.
Oh, do you know what?
Don't shoot me! Oh, you fucking...